The Digital Management Center to be built in Aghdam city will meet the electricity demand of infrastructure facilities of different designation and will provide real-time and digital management of networks included in the supply grid. Chair of Azerbaijan Open Joint Stock Company, Vigar Ahmadov, noted that the establishment of Digital Management Center of electric grids will ensure uninterrupted control over the process of distribution of electric energy and will provide for efficiency and uninterrupted supply of energy. The Regional Training Center will ensure the development of specialists in the field of electric energy. It will apply renewable energy sources, will develop the professional skills of staff, and will offer trainings and mentoring competitions. The Regional Training Center of the complex consists of training hall and a training ground. A real working model for the application of green energy sources in the liberated territories has also been developed, and it is intended to be used in trainings for personnel and for the enlightenment of active consumers in the future. International Events Range is a technological area envisaged for the demonstration of professional mastery competition in modern technologies. At the same time, BOEM training field is planned for the installation and commissioning of solar and wind energy systems, as well as for modern management systems. It is envisaged that the training range will be equipped with modern grid model, green energy elements, and innovative project mock-ups. Regional Logistics Center is intended for transportation, repair, and maintenance of transport, special equipment, and of goods and materials required for the region. The goal here is to deliver the technical equipment to the area without the loss of time and maintain it in good condition. Transformer Service Area is intended for the repair, fine-tuning, and supply with modern equipment of power transformers used in modern distribution networks. The Central Laboratory, in its turn, is envisaged for the implementation of testing diagnostics of smart meters, cables, devices, and equipment. One of the important issues considered during the restoration are the historical traditions of the region. The building of the Aghdam Mugham Center is based on this rationale. Special representative of the President, Emin Hussein, have noted that the center will possess modern infrastructure and logistical framework for the organization of different events and trainings. Aghdam Mugham Center consists of 2 floors and 100 square meter amphitheater. The center will feature lobby, concert hall, dancing halls, classrooms, exhibition halls, cinema, library, cafe, and other rooms. The construction of another residential quarter is starting in Aghdam. The second residential quarter to be built on the area of 13.31 ha is intended for 5,510 inhabitants. There will be 1,268 apartments and residential buildings. There will be sports and recreation grounds, non-residential buildings, a boiler room, overground parking lot in the territory of the quarter. The buildings will be provided with constant water, electricity, and high-speed internet. First, the head of state and his spouse were informed about the progress of the construction of the new building of Aghdam City School No. 1. It was reported that all conditions for education will be created in the school with a capacity of 960 pupils. It should be noted that the foundation of the school was laid by President Ilham Aliyev on May 28, 2021. This educational institution, built in 1883, is the oldest school in the Karabakh region. $16.93 har is allocated for the third residential neighborhood to be built in Aghdam. A total of 1,239 apartments will be built here. The gross floor area of the apartments will be 119,524 square meters. The construction of a sports and recreation field, a bicycle parking area, non-residential areas, above-ground car parking lot is also planned in the residential area. Construction works are planned to be completed in November of 2025. $2.12 har is allocated for the construction of administrative premises in Aghdam city. Overall construction area will comprise 24,450 square meters. This will be a 5-story building. It is envisaged that a city square and a park will be built in front of the administrative premises. Here, the construction works will be completed in March of 2025. The design works for Bard-Aghdam Railway is 90% completed. The railway's actual length is 47.1 km, and together with the sidelines, it is 57.86 kilometers long. It is envisaged that the construction of Bard-Aghdam Railway will be completed in 2023. The head of our state was also informed about Aghdam Railway and bus terminal complex. It was noted that the complex had been designed as a transportation hub which will allow for the convenient commuting of passengers. The terminal building, to be constructed in national architectural style, favors glass elements. At the initial stage, there will be 10 buses operating from the terminal. Up to 1,000 and 1,500 passengers can be accommodated by the railway and bus terminals, respectively.